Ryngkat ki Myntri Sarkar ka Jilla o Myntri Rangba ka Jilla o Conrad ki Sangma menta ka arpulay tarik unay wing arhajar arpuar ulalit jingo e ki Haïing ki Khlad hasnong Mukroh hapedeng ka jing pahara ka bajur. Henin ka singisan ngut ki khasi ki la syaksiat yab ha ki pulit ka asam ha Mukroh bat kat tu kat ni ki la mensaw. Ki bak senran lang yaw Conrad ki long uba prestun tensong uba renikten lingdo ba sengaw bahalang dhar bat uba kermen shela. Kila IT ru marsan lak tingkash ki Haïing ki Khlad.
Let's take cheddar.
Kalian sarkar bisa mulai kita menyewa kita punya sekalian mah
in Assam, then you will find also some are setengah, some are Chumayang, they wrote us there. So regarding that, it's not the evidence to prove that I am the real person whose name is written on that. That is the main issue that we have to tackle everywhere around India. Because on the very day we visit Shillong, most of the time we have to pay challan because we don't have any driving license. We don't have any proper document. Suppose my name is coming on. On the voter ID, if you supposed to say that maybe DKSHR is my title, instead that they will put DIKSERE with Dikhare or some coming kachan, some tama like that. In all are a nickname, not our proper name. Sir, through this message to please express the central government to favor us to return back home. We cannot bear anymore. Otherwise, we need gun to fight to save ourselves. Sir, that is a strong message. Please carry this message through the Home Minister also. We can never bear much more than we have faced. On that very day, I visit the areas of Alabang where I coordinate about the GPS. What I found that I took a photo of a little child naked. I feel shame myself to take the photos of that mothers because she is naked. The road they are going through, the leopard are also feeling tired to climb the road. What they have faced there. They drink the water, they take back.
I first of all would like to express our deepest condolences to all the families who have lost their dear ones. This is not just a loss for the families or this village, but it's a loss for the entire state. And we are here to tell you that as a state we are grieving with you in this time of sorrow and this time of loss, where the government has decided to cancel every function, has decided to cancel every festival, any kind of program that is there. We have decided to cancel all of them just to show our solidarity with all of you. And I want to assure you that we are with you in this very, very difficult time. We have come here today to, of course, meet the family members, but also to meet all of you. Because we know the people of this area have been suffering for a very, very long time. And knowing the suffering that the people have been having here, we know that the root cause of all this problem is the border dispute. And that is the reason why in the last year and a half, as a government, we've been working proactively to ensure that we are able to resolve this border issue. As you have mentioned yourself, Mr. Chairman, that is the reason why in the last year and a half, as a government, we've been working proactively to ensure that we are able to resolve this border issue. As you have mentioned yourself, Mr. Chairman, that this government in the past has taken concrete steps. We didn't just promise. Every single person who's sitting here are members of this committee. Barenik, our Deputy Chief Minister, Preston, Bakirman, Masnyoba, all of them have been members in the committees which resolved 6 areas of differences in the border, which was never done before. This in itself is showing you that we are committed to resolving this. And yes, this area is slightly more complicated, but our commitment is equally strong to resolve it. Let me assure you that. And therefore, we will find a solution. It's not easy. For 45, 50 years, this problem has been existing. And we were not able to resolve it for whatever reason. But then, as I said, we have taken upon it ourselves that we have to resolve this. And I want to tell you that in the past, the discussions we had and the areas of, the focus in which we were able to move forward, people's will was very, very important. Not be forcing, and they should not be aggressive in these areas that are sensitive, and this incident that has happened. So all these aspects will be discussed in the meeting today. I have come here today along with our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, our Honorable Ministers and the Cabinet colleagues, our MDCs and other leaders to tell you that we are with you in this time of sorrow and grief, and to tell you that we are here also to ensure that action is taken. We are also here to assure you that all the steps that are required to ensure that in future these kind of things and this oppression and this kind of difficulties you're facing should not be there. And also to assure you that the border issue is one of our top priorities, and we will do everything in our capacity to ensure that we are able to resolve the border issue at the earliest. I want to assure you that. So once again, I express my condolences to all the family members. I express my condolences to the entire village. And I want to once again tell you that we are with you in this difficult times and these times of sorrow.